everyone, I am Sakshi Kushwaha and I hope you all are doing great. Today is an amazing day. You know why? Because from today, we are going to start something amazing. So, if you don't know about what is coding and what is a Python and like all the things, all the stuffs about coding, programming, and all the things, so you are in the right place. Yeah, we are going to start a new Python series from end to end, basic to advanced level. So we will cover all the things, each and every topic from basic to advanced. So after covering this course, you become a zero to hero. So if you have a zero coding experience, zero coding knowledge, you don't know about the variables and how to print any statement, how to run commands, and what is Python and what is idly, all those stuffs. So we will discuss here. So you are in the right place, and in the today's video I am going to reveal the table of contents which we will cover in the next days. So like what topics we will cover in Python from starting to end, like from beginner to advanced level, we will just going to discuss in the next few minutes. So buckle your hands and get ready with the exciting course. Okay, so now you are in my computer screen and I know your time is very valuable. So let's start with this Python adventure. So I am sharing my table of contents here. So this is the table of content which I made for you guys. Uh, yeah. So in day one, we will discuss introduction to Python. So here we will discuss history of Python and introduction of Python and how to set up the environment in Python, what is idealies, what are the editors in Python like PyCharm, ideally, Visual Studio Code. We discuss all those things. And then we will discuss what are the variables and data types. So listen, these are very basic things. So we will discuss all those things. And then in the day three, we will discuss string and string manipulation, how string functions are there, and then math operations, how to take input from the user, and then control flow. So these are very important for decision making, like if else and statement. So we will discuss all those things. And then loop. So like there are a few types of loop, like for loop, while loop, and in some languages do while loop is also there. So we will discuss loop. This control flow and loops are for decision making and for executing your statements or executing your programs. And then the break statement is there, continue statement is there. Then we will discuss that list and tuples, how we will use, how to store our data in different types of data structures, and which type of data is which type of data structure is used for which type of storing data. And then function. So function is basically the heart of your program. So if you write function, and you don't need to write again and again the codes. And then scope of variables, how a global scope, local scope, inside function and outside function. We will discuss all those things. And modules, yeah, module are very important in Python. That's why Python become very popular language. So we will discuss modules, there are some modules like pandas is there, seaborn, matplotlib, and lot of modules are there. And then we will discuss file handling, txt, like txt is a text file, then csv file, json file. These are all type of files. We will discuss how to read and write, append those files, append in an existing file, or how to create files with the help of Python commands. And we will also discuss how to use Python as a calculator. And then we will discuss advanced concepts of file handling. Then exception handling is there. So like try and accept block. So if you got some error, then you can use accept block. So that's why we use try and accept. And finally, then we will move towards the object oriented programming. So guys, this is very important. Object oriented programming is very important. So you heard about classes and object. If you have a little bit knowledge of any object oriented programming like C++ or Java, in so basically C is very simple language, and it is not an object oriented programming language. It is a very simple language. But in C++ and Java, classes are there, objects are there, and the concept of inheritance, abstraction are there. Then polymorphism, encapsulation, we will discuss all those things. So this is a like basic overview what we will cover in our course, and we will go in deep. So on the day 18th we will discuss implementing OOPS concept in a project. We will make a project with the help of OOPS concept, how to make a classes and how to like inherit those properties with the a parent class to child class, all those things. And then in the last day, last second day, we will discuss mini project, how to create a project. We will like work with real life project, real life. We will solve real life problem of our like with the help of Python programming. Then on a date 20th day, we will discuss interview questions. So these are very important. Like if you are preparing for any interview, if you are learning any language, you have to know about what are the questions frequently asked in the interview. So we will also discuss those things. And these are some things which these are the some like after learning this Python, you can switch any of this field like data analysis with Python. So you become a data analyst, or like you have to work with data frames and all. And Python and APIs are there. GUI means a graphical user interface with the help of Ktinker libraries. This is a library of Python. So these are the frameworks in Python: Fast API, Django, and Flask. So with the help of these frameworks, you can use means you can build backend. So if you want to become a web developer, so this Python is very helpful for you guys. And then web scraping is there for beautiful soap. Like if you just want to extract your information from any website, then web scraping is there. And then data engineering is there, machine learning, deep learning, all the skills. Like Python is very very easy language and very very popular language. So from the next video we will discuss all those things and in very details. So after, I bet you guys, after covering this whole course, you will have every single knowledge of every single thing in Python. And that's our action packed Python table of contents. So I am very excited to start this incredible journey with you guys. So don't forget to like, share this video with your fellows, with your classmates, and those who just want to learn Python from the scratch. So and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any video. So let's code, learn, and fun together. Bye.